and recent collaborations with Sir DMRC, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, also Rajasthan government on geoscience. You know the significance ఏంటి sir?
So even there are so many collaborations happening at IIT. So these are
recent developments.
These are latest, but in fact, if you go 1 year back, for example, we have Greenco has given 150 crores. We have set up a Greenco School of Sustainability. Coal India has given about 100 crores. We have set up what is called Clean Coal Technology Center. Ila రకరకాల centers, even critical minerals లో మేము ఒక సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ పెట్టాము. సో ఈ మీరు ఢిల్లీ మెట్రోతో ఏదైతే మాట్లాడారో దట్ ఈస్ బేసికల్లీ ఆన్ అటానమస్ నావిగేషన్. మన క్యాంపస్ లో యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ ప్రొఫెసర్ రాజలక్ష్మి ఈజ్ లీడింగ్ ద హోల్ టీమ్ ఆన్ వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ autonomous vehicles lo, driverless vehicles, whether they are road based vehicles or air based vehicles, వీటన్నిటి మీద how do we work together అనే ఉద్దేశంతో అది జరిగింది. రెండోది, we have even just recently signed an MOU with South Central Railway. So they have a program called CAWACH అని ఒక product. Basically it looks at the whole network of all stations so that the rail accidents jarakunda, okay, so that you have a complete connecting one railway station to another railway station in a completely indigenous way, without depending on anything from abroad. దాంతో మేము ఒకటి చేసాము. దాంట్లో science వాళ్ళు కూడా they are going to be a part of it as we grow along. So it's going to be a government, academia and industry kind of network collaborations we are going to do. So ఇలా చాలా initiatives jarugutunnayi. I want to see a day where industry takes spaces in academic institutions. If you go abroad, places like US, you talk about Stanford, you talk about MIT, why did these institutions become great? It is because industries have taken space in their academic institutions. Industries co-locate ayi, okay, co-create cheyam modalu pedite amazing transformation will happen, sir. So in India, our problem is the industry stays somewhere, academia stays somewhere. There is a big valley between the two, and how do we build this valley? So 5 years back, we started with what we call it as a semester long internship. Most of the IITs lo summer internships undevi. We said, let us have our students going and spending one full semester in an industry, okay, without any coursework. Okay, and we give them a 6 credits. It's a credited internship. Most of the summer internships are not credited, so students don't take seriously. Once there is credit, student will take seriously, because if the good grade he does not get, he or she, then the CGPA will fall down. So adokati start chesam. We started what is called industry lectures. Industry వాళ్ళని తీసుకొచ్చి వాళ్ళ చేత లెక్చర్స్ ఇప్పించడం మన ఎంటెక్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి, బీటెక్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి. అలాగే we started what is called industry based projects. My MTech students, they do 1 year of full project. So we ask these industry people, do you have any problems that our MTech students can solve in 1 year? And వాళ్ళ దగ్గర problem statements తీసుకొని దాన్ని మా MTech students కి ఇచ్చి, and some students picks up those problems, and we ensure that the confidentiality is maintained. There is an NDA signed between the student and the guide and the industry, and we also ensure that the thesis that comes out will have an embargo for almost for 4 years. Okay, so that the content of the thesis is not known to an outsider. Industry will be extremely happy when the confidentiality is maintained. Ila cheskuntu alage industry వాళ్ళకి online MTech programs istu, that you are in an industry, you want to get an MTech after finishing your BTech, you have joined an industry, but you can't get a leave from your industry, so we will give you an MTech provided you are good and pass our exams. Okay, we say that you come to IIT only on the day of convocation. You don't need to come at all, and complete the whole MTech. And a 2-year MTech, we give you 4 years time so that leisurely you can do. ఇలాంటి ఫెసిలిటీస్ అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తూ ఇండస్ట్రీతో వర్క్ చేయడం మొదలుపెట్టాం. ఆ విధంగా మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ సైడ్. మన టీఆర్పీ చూసుకుంటే టెక్నాలజీ రిసెర్చ్ పార్క్ లో ఎన్నో ఇండస్ట్రీస్ వస్తున్నాయి. 1.5 lakh square foot బిల్డింగ్ లో ఒక 10,000 SFT మాత్రమే ఖాళీగా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు. అలా ఎన్ని కంపెనీస్, బోత్ ఇండియన్ కంపెనీస్ అండ్ అబ్రాడ్ కంపెనీస్. గ్రాన్యూల్స్ ఇండియా లిమిటెడ్, they have set up almost a 5,000 SFT space తీసుకొని, they say that the global R&D of Granules India will be done from IIT Hyderabad. Okay, ఇట్లాంటిది క్రియేట్ చేయగలిగితే, and our faculty getting involved in that, then you will grow together. Okay, so growing together and contributing together for the country's growth is very important. ఇలాంటివి ఎన్నో సెంటర్స్ సెటప్ చేయాలి ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో కూడా అని మా కోరిక.